Are you facing trouble accessing Facebook Marketplace? Try these fixes. Try these fixes. First of all, you need to check your Facebook Marketplace eligibility. So, open the Facebook app on your device. At the top left corner, tap on the menu icon. At the bottom, select Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Scroll down and click on Birthday. You need to make sure that you are at least 18 years old. If needed, update your date of birth correctly. The another way to do this is update the Facebook app. Open the Google Play Store and search for Facebook. There you need to check either your app is up to date or not. As you can see, it is up to date, so nothing to do here. If it is not up to date on your device, here update option will pop up and you need to make sure that your app is up to date. There's also another way to solve this problem by clearing data or clearing cache of the app. So click on Facebook app for a time and go to Settings. And here you go to Storage section. Here, click on Cache or click on Clear Data. This should fix minor bugs issue. Lastly, make sure that your phone is connected to the internet. For that, make sure that Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong. This should solve your connectivity problem. If nothing solves the problem, then it is time to report the problem to Facebook. So open the Facebook app on your device, tap the menu icon and click on Help and Support System. Here, click on Report a Problem. Scroll down and click on Continue to Report. From this list, click on Marketplace and describe your issue properly. Like you can just say, the Marketplace isn't available on your device, right? And this should solve the problem. You can additionally attach the screenshot or record a screen while you are facing the problem, and Facebook will be able to better help with your problem. And that's it. Hope you find this video useful.